The ultimate Armenian breakfast battle.
Yeah.
Is it sujuk or basturma?
It's the battle of the sausages, and we're gonna find out today whose is bigger and who tastes better.
I don't think they're both sausages. That's the sausage. This is more like a pressed meat. Sujuk is a pressed sausage that's dried, filled with a bunch of garlic spices. Basturma is a salt-pressed whole lobe of meat that's dried, similar to the South African biltong or brasola that Italians eat, except basturma has chemin around it, which is the last stage of the curing process.
My sausage is bigger.
We're gonna hit the streets and we're gonna find out one by one who thinks sujuk is better or basturma is better. Let us know in the comments below which one you think is better. Let the battle begin.
Let's go.
Give it a taste.
Give it a taste.
Give it a taste. You gotta tell us which one do you like better, sujuk or basturma. Yeah, you're gonna be on camera.
No.
No? No camera?
No camera.
Oh, okay. You wanna do an on-camera taste test?
No thanks.
Come on, it'll be fun.
You guys want diarrhea?
We're doing an Armenian breakfast meat battle. That one's sujuk, and then this one's basturma. We're trying to see which one reigns supreme.
I better not get a spicy taste.
No, they're not spicy.
What does it taste like?
Like meat.
Like meat? What kind of meat? Your meat? I wish.
Tastes good.
All right.
Now try that
the
one.
basturma.
Oh, this one's stronger. This one has more taste to it.
Sujuk. Let's go.
All right.
I like that.
Sujuk.
Yeah.
I like this one.
Basturma, let's go. There we go. All right, man.
We got sujuk, 2 points.
One basturma.
Basturma's
Listen,
big.
basturma's gonna be a tough sell, but you know what? If you love basturma, it's always gonna win. You want to do a taste test for us? She's like, no.
You guys like Armenian sausage?
You guys want to do a taste test for us?
Thank you.
Come on, we're comparing two Armenian meats.
Appreciate it.
All right.
¿Tienes hambre? ¿Hungry? Esa es salchicha de los armenios. Basturma, prueba esa. Prueba esa. ¿Cuál te gusta mejor?
Los dos también.
¿Los igual? Oh, the same. Equally.
Even.
Yes. Wow.
A tie.
It's a tie. So technically, I'm still up. It's 3-2. Hold on. That's my ride. I gotta go.
There it is, Arzeta, and then follow jackjrcomic.
Okay.
What's your name?
Julian.
Dorian.
Dorian. All right, cool.
Both of you try both,
Yeah.
and then let us know which one you like better.
All right.
It's kind of good.
Where are you from?
I'm French and Algerian.
Oh,
No
so-
way.
nice.
Nice. You guys
Nice.
won the fight, the boxing girl, right?
Okay, now try the sujuk.
All right.
That's pretty good too.
Now here's the question: which one's better?
I'm not gonna lie.
Basturma? Basturma! Let's go, we got two!
Yeah, you
Big
got
up, big up, big
Damn,
up.
we
Yes.
lost. We lost. Basturma,
All right.
what?
It's fire.
Basturma's fire. Dude, like he got 2 of them.
Hey, that was two. I was pretty
I
good.
was surprised, bro. What's your name?
Tigran.
Tigran. Where you from?
Ukraine, but Armenian.
Do you know what these are?
Yeah.
Okay, try both of them and tell us which one you like better.
Take your time.
Yeah, really embellish the flavors.
What?
I'll say that this one is much more better than
Better?
You
This
go
was better?
sujuk?
Yeah, sujuk!
We got another sujuk.
go.
All
Yeah,
right,
team
fine,
sujuk.
man.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Better, bro. Be good, all right? Take care. Australia. I think. What's your name?
Noah?
Jack. Wiley.
Chris, I'm from LA.
So this is an Armenian sausage.
What do you think? What do you think?
Tastes kind of like salami.
A little bit like salami,
What do you
right?
think?
Yeah, it's like salami, but it's like it's softer. It's good.
Now this is a salt-cured beef. This is basturma here. Thinly sliced, kind of like a deli meat.
I like it more than the last one.
It's good, but I think I like the first one.
Sujuk?
I like this one a lot more.
This one? So
second
basturma
one?
a lot more.
A lot more than you.
I like the first one a lot.
First one, all right. So we got
Time.
2 and 2.
2 and 2.
Even keel.
Hey, robot, you want to try?
And if you're liking this content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. And subscribe to Jack Jr. Comic as well.
Jack Jr., do it. Dude, what's all the fuss with Basturma? I mean, I gotta try one.
All right, go. I mean, it's like I've never had sujuk before, but I'm gonna let you know.
Yeah. Nope. It like melts in your mouth a little. And
It's really hard for me to pick between the two. I love basturma. I love sujuk.
sujuk is so much better, bro.
I think for breakfast meat, basturma takes it.
Eggs and sujuk.
Sujuk and eggs, sujuk,
Sujuk,
basturma.
egg, and a bread sandwich.
Basturma,
Basturma.
tomatoes.
Nope.
I do too, you hate it.
I hate tomato.
Tomato
I hate
and
basturma.
basturma. But you always smell good after you eat basturma. It sticks with you.
Dude, it stinks.
I like the bread.
Yes! Just by looks.
Damn.
Okay, so we got sujuk and we got basturma here. Okay,
What are you trying right now?
basturma.
Okay, take it easy. Take a deep breath. You really like it? What does it taste like?
Basturma.
Yeah,
See
right?
that?
And look at his face. He's very
make that
angry.
face. Don't
No,
imply.
no, try
Don't imply.
sujuk.
Try the
Sujuk.
sujuk.
I'm Armenian. I eat this every New Year.
Yeah, don't lie.
Definitely the basturma. The sujuk, it has a little spice to it. It's not that. It doesn't feel as good as the basturma.
Want to be in our video? You use it?
No.
So we got the Armenian breakfast battle right now. We're trying to see which one reigns supreme. So we taste one of each, and you tell me which one you like better.
Awesome. Go for it.
So go
Let's
for
start
it.
with sujuk. Armenian
Start with
sujuk.
sujuk.
We grew up with this.
There you go. Start. Okay. What does it taste like?
Tastes like sujuk.
There you go.
Very descriptive.
The scrambled egg would be perfect.
There you go.
Let's go with basturma.
Let's go.
I really like it more basturma.
Oh, there we go.
That's your final answer?
This is my final answer because
There
it's
we
melt
go.
in your mouth.
We got another basturma.
Another one.
Shout out to Eureka Sausages for the basturma and sujuk. If you want to be featured on our next video, drop us a DM.
Do it.
I did not expect basturma to be winning at all by now.
For all those non-Armenians that tried Basturma and Sujuk, they love Basturma.
Dude, basturma's the winner, baby.
No, it's not. It's not over yet. Not over yet, dude.
They call me Tony, but my name is Christian Grey.
And where are you from?
Armenian.
Okay, he's from Armenia. You?
Ani from Armenia.
From Armenia. Okay, cool.
Hey, here we go.
Okay, I'll try the other one.
So they're already familiar with the
They're
flavors.
familiar. There you
We
go.
grew up eating this.
This reminds me of my nephew.
I like the sujuk.
I'm a Basturma fan, but between these two, I like the sujuk.
There it is. We got two sujuk there. We got two sujuk.
Yes.
Awesome. Quick big stop at my cafe. Cheers.
And they let us bring our own snacks.
Try coffee?
Oh yeah.
You guys don't want pastry?
No, just coffee.
Why?
Because we're eating so much basturma and sujuk.
What's your name?
Suzanne,
Suzanne, and where you from?
Glendale,
All right, cool. And what's your
Yeah.
background?
Armenian.
Armenian. Okay,
perfect.
so it's gonna work out good.
Team Sujuk first. Here we go.
Sujuk first.
I heard
All right.
my um's good.
All right.
You like it?
Delicious. Like typical Sunday morning sujuk.
Let's go. Okay. All
Like
right.
just enough chaman.
See that?
They're both really good.
Yeah.
Delicious. I'm going with the sujuk though.
Oh, Team Sujuk takes another.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You know, it's all right. All in all, Team Basturma won.
I don't think so. And if he does, he's gonna edit it that way.
Ultimate Armenian breakfast battle. I think we proved it all right now.
Bullshit.